Are you guys eating pickles?
Mm-hmm.
Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm.
No, pickles are caca.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Don't fight with Mommy.
Don't fight with Moses. Jesus.
Moses, I bit my pickle.
Bad girl. Don't bite your fucking pickle. What are you doing?
Biting a pickle.
Okay, back up, back up, back up. Okay. Are you guys gonna sing the pickle song yet? Okay. Trinity gets the jar. Okay. Go. Okay, go.
I got a jar of pickles. I got a jar of pickles. I got a jar of pickles. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Woo!
Something fell. Pickles.
Wait, what fell?
Pickle.
Wait, what'd you drop?
Look up.
Dummy. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Say bye, Pickles.
Bye.
Ah, they're getting